full can? How, no.
Come here. Sit down in the back. Sit down in the back.
No, I'm just asking you a question.
You know, if my kids start yelling at me, boom, guess what? Yeah.
I did nothing wrong, and I'm in the fucking police car.
Hey,
I
stop.
want to kill myself.
I'm telling you, she is unstable.
Fucking out of here.
Kaylee was arrested on April 7th, 2021, by Officer Alvinia of the New Mexico State Police after engaging in a heated argument and displaying disrespect. She experienced a mental breakdown in the back seat. Kaylee was booked into jail on the charge of minor in possession of alcohol.
Because I got to speed at 68, the speed limit is 50 here.
Oh, yes, sir.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Huh? Can you pop the trunk and get out of the vehicle, please? There's like beer in the back, I think.
Excuse me?
Are you in the military?
Yeah.
You are?
Well, no, my parents are.
Oh.
They both are military, sir. They're twins.
I'm military.
You too?
It's okay, Ashley. Don't cry. It's okay,
But do you have a license?
No, sir. She didn't bring her license.
Okay, go ahead and meet me in the back, please.
It's okay, Ashley.
Have you been drinking? That's the question, because everybody smells like alcohol in there.
No, like I've been a DD since it does.
Okay, I would like to check your eyes, because your eyes are very red. Okay? And you got too much beer in there. Huh? No, the crying is one thing. The alcohol is something else. Okay?
Yeah.
I can understand the crying part.
Here's my eyes.
Okay. So
The police conducted a quick sobriety test for the driver, which indicated that she had consumed alcohol. Since she was under 21, making it illegal for her to drive with any amount of alcohol in her system, the police instructed the individuals to provide contact information for 5 people in the car. They were then asked to call their parents, who were expected to pick them up.
I'm going to give you 2 options, okay? My first option, you're underage, you smell like alcohol, and there's beer in your car. I can arrest you. That's one option. And I can tow your car. That's still one option, okay? Option 2, I can give you guys tickets, call your parents, and they come and get your car. You all leave with tickets, and that's it. That's option 2. So you tell me which one do you want.
Take option 2. My phone's in the car.
Okay, go, you can go get it. Okay, all you guys have cell phones, right?
Yes.
So you need to call. Okay, you guys need to call your parents, and they need to come pick you guys up. Let me explain. You were going
I have a genuine question for
almost 20 miles over the posted speed. Do you think that's normal?
I understand that.
actually,
Yes.
people.
What's your question? Huh?
I genuinely understand that I was going.
Keep her in the car, because she's gonna get arrested. Young girl, you're gonna get arrested. Okay, just stay in the car.
I genuinely understand. Like I was going over the speed limit.
Yes.
But
That's just a ticket. Look, if you would have been just speeding and no beer in the car and no odor of alcohol inside, perfect. I'll just give you a ticket and maybe a break. Okay? But there's other stuff and there's odor of alcohol. You guys are not even 21. Anybody 21 to buy the beer in the car?
No.
Do you have anybody 21?
No, sir. Was someone 21 bought us the beer?
Of course. Yes.
So just stop, please. Just stop.
Somebody 21 had to buy it.
Yeah,
What was that?
I understand that, sir. I understand that, sir. So someone coming right now, they're gonna drive the car, they're gonna drive the vehicle, and then we'll be able to leave with tickets.
Yes, with tickets. The reason why I'm calling your
drive
parents is because none of you guys can drive. There's alcohol in the car and you guys work.
But how do you know that we're
Okay.
drunk? It's empty can, sir. I'm sorry, but it's empty can, sir.
Stop, please.
No, I'm sorry. There's no proof of full can. How, no.
Come here. Come here.
No.
Come here.
Sir, I'm just asking you.
Tired of you, okay? You argue too much, you're gonna get in my car. Yes.
No, sir,
Get in
I'm
the
just
car.
asking you a question.
Sit down in the back.
Sir, I'm just asking you
Sit down in
a
the back.
question.
Sit down in the back.
No, I'm just asking you a question. Asking you a question.
You're gonna be under arrest and you're gonna go to jail.
No,
Yes.
please,
No, you are.
Please, sir,
You are.
please.
You are the only one.
Please,
The
sir,
only
I'm
one
asking
arguing
you a
and giving me. No, you're not asking a question.
Sir,
No.
Please, sir, please.
Okay. Young girl, you're in the middle. Yes, come here. Just turn right here. She's gonna be placed under arrest. I'm taking her.
sorry.
I am taking her. Okay.
Just for asking a question?
No, she's being actually kind of rude and arguing the whole
She
time.
was asking a question.
No, you're asking questions.
I'm asking.
She's asking questions. So you got a ticket for open containers because they shouldn't be around any alcoholic beverages. They're not 21. Okay? Everybody should have got arrested today. Instead, I gave them tickets. I arrested one person. Okay? But that's the reason. Minor in possession of alcoholic beverages. This is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna get in the car. You do it right here. Make sure.
I'll just wait until we're there.
I thought you needed the restroom.
No, I don't want to go in front of everybody.
Well, I mean,
Can
I don't.
Please call my mom and say that I'm
Did you already call your mom?
I already did.
You did.
No, I need to call my mom.
But you did. Didn't you call your mom?
No.
I was talking to your mom. She's a practitioner or something. She's like a nurse or something, right?
Can I at least talk to my mom? Like, can you please?
What do you need?
I'm sorry for having an attitude with you, sir. Like, I just really want to get out of here.
You can't get out of here right now.
No, I know I'm not.
If you want to use the restroom, look, go behind the bushes. I'll wait here. I mean, I don't know where else.
So we can't leave it to this car.
I can't leave until we pick it
So
up.
I'm going to jail.
Yes, you are. I told you. You're under arrest. Actually, I'm going to put cuffs in you before we go. I have to put
Why,
handcuffs.
sir? Why? I'm sorry, sir.
Because that's just the law. I don't make the law.
What did I do, sir?
You don't know what you did?
No, please tell me, sir. What did I do? Put me under cuffs. What did I do?
You might want to have to work on your anger management.
Can you please put my mom on the phone while you're on call with her, please?
Here. But you had your phone the whole time in the back
I'm
seat.
just confused why you're putting me under arrest, though.
Because you were the only one. Look, the
No,
tickets.
I'm very confused. I didn't drive the thing or anything.
The tickets.
I don't know what I did, sir.
Okay, the tickets I gave to everybody are arrestable offenses. All of them. All you guys.
Why was I only the one that got
Because you're the one with the attitude.
But I'm sorry, sir.
You're the one with the attitude, and they were not.
I had to be in handcuffs. I wasn't even driving, sir.
I didn't say you were driving.
No. Mom. Mom, I'm in handcuffs and I didn't do anything, Mom.
You're not in handcuffs.
This cop is putting me in handcuffs for not even doing anything, Mom. I didn't do anything, Mom.
Kaylee, you need to be quiet. You should have listened to him.
No, but Mom, I'm putting in handcuffs and I did nothing, Mom. Please, I don't know what I did.
Kaylee, you weren't smart mouthing him.
But why am I put in handcuffs? I didn't even say anything insulting to the police officer. I didn't say one bad word or anything bad, Mom. Why am I put in handcuffs?
Kaylee?
Mom, I'm asking you, why am I put in handcuffs if I said nothing insulting to the police officer?
Kaylee, you got yourself in this.
Mom, does he have the right to put me in handcuffs when I said nothing insulting to the police officer and I did nothing wrong?
Kaylee, when you get arrested, you're going to be put in handcuffs.
But Mom, what did I do though? I didn't say one bad word to the police officer and I didn't even drive the car.
Kaylee, you didn't have to. But you were sassy and he had enough.
But why does he have to arrest me when I wasn't even driving?
Kaylee, it has nothing
Mom,
to do
please
with it.
come get me soon. I'm scared. Mom, please. Mom, please. Mom, please come get me soon. I'm scared. Mom, please. I did nothing. I didn't even say anything bad to him. I just said, why are you arresting us? That's all I said, and he put me in handcuffs.
That's what they have to do.
No, Mom, that's not fair. I did nothing to him.
If you don't listen to me, you're just like when you were with the cops. You don't listen and you don't shut up.
Mom, please, I'm scared. Please, Mom, I need to use the...
You got yourself into that situation.
Mom, are you coming to get the Jeep? Please, Mom, please take me out of here now, please.
The Jeep should be with Miss Michelle.
Mom, please come get me,
I
Mom.
cannot hear you.
Mom, I can't. Mom, can you hear me?
What?
Mom, please come get me. I don't know. No one's grabbing the Jeep. Just please come get me, Mom. I didn't mean to have an attitude. I didn't say anything rude to him.
Kaylee Marie, I'm not.
Mom, I can't hear you. Mom, please. Why does this have to happen to me? Only me.
Because you don't shut up.
Why? Not even the driver. Not even the fucking driver.
Kaylee, you need to shut up. You need
Just,
to
Mom, please come get me out of here, Mom,
Coming
please.
114.
I'm sorry I had an attitude with the officer, but I never even said a cuss word to him.
No, there's nothing I can do. I asked him already to please let you go.
No, he fucking won't. Just please take me to the jail so they can bail me out, please, sir. Please, sir, I did nothing wrong. Please, sir, please, sir. Mom, can you please ask him? Can you please ask him? Can you call my mom, please?
You hung up?
Please, just why can't you let me go? I teenager. You don't think teenagers get mad? Mom, please. Mom, please come soon. Please, I'm scared. Mom, please. Mom, I'm shutting up. I just want you to be here with me, Mom. I'm scared.
I don't know where you are.
I did nothing wrong, even. I did nothing wrong, and I'm in the fucking police car.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!
Please, Mom.
What do you want me to do? I can't take you out of jail.
Ma'am, can I have a few words with you?
Yes, I mean, she is out of control.
Okay, let me explain something. I told you the reason why I stopped the vehicle. They were speeding. There's a lot of alcohol in the car. And I told everybody, I'm gonna call your parents. As long as your parents are okay, you can go with other people. Your parents can come and pick you up.
Right.
I'm gonna give you guys tickets instead of arresting all you guys. This
Right.
young girl was giving me attitude the whole time, and I told her, just please
needs to shut
stay
up.
quiet,
Yeah.
stay in the car. Let me deal with each of you guys individually, and then you guys will be good to go. Even her friends told her, just quiet, stay in the car, be quiet, a few times. I came back, I wrote everybody their tickets. When it was your daughter's turn, I was trying to
Yes.
explain, and she started giving me attitude again. I said, you know what? I said, I'm done. I'm done.
Right, right.
The tickets that I gave everybody, they're arrestable offenses. Okay, everybody should have gone to jail today. Everyone. Okay.
Right.
The reason why I didn't arrest everybody is because I can't fit 6-7 people in my car, but I can fit one.
I know.
Okay.
I mean, as I said, I wish you would pardon her, but I mean, what can I do? I'm taking off of work early. My patients are now being left alone. I just can't help it. But I mean, I don't know if I can drive and get her right now. I will do that because I'm leaving work right now.
Well, if you're leaving work, you need to come with somebody else because this car, somebody needs to drive your car.
Right, but I can leave the car there and then pick up my husband and later on get the car for me.
This is not a good area to leave a car. Cars get vandalized all the time here, so that's why I'm not letting your car here, because.
But now didn't Michelle, Mrs. Jaber offer to drive the car home?
No, she's coming back. She's taking the kids and she'll be back probably in the next 5 minutes. She should be back. I'm waiting for her here. I'm behind your car.
Okay.
I'm waiting
Is there any way I can pick up Kaylee?
No, Katie is not going to be going home. She's going to be going to Las Cruces, and actually you can pick her up in Las Cruces later tonight.
But what do you mean by later tonight? So what is exactly going to happen with her? I mean, you are booking her?
No, stop!
Get out.
Stop!
Get out. Get out. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Please, no,
You're not going to hurt yourself, okay?
no, please. I just want to get out of here, please.
You're going to hurt yourself, and that's what's going to happen. You're going to hurt yourself, okay?
I don't want to.
And I'm not going to let that happen.
Please, sir, please. I just want to get out of here. Sir,
Stand up. Stand up.
sir, please.
Stand up.
Please, sir. I just want to be out of here, sir.
I should have put you in cuffs the first time. Do I need to tie you?
Please, sir. Just
Why are you hitting yourself?
because I don't even want to be here.
It doesn't matter. You don't hit yourself. So what is that going to do? Is that going to solve the problem?
Yes, it is.
Hitting yourself. is
Just
gonna
fucking
hit-
shoot me now. Just shoot me. Please. Please, sir. Get me out of here. Now.
Sit down. If you hit my car, if I hear one bang, I'm going to add extra charges, just so you know. I'm going to add extra charges, okay? Your mom will pick you up later, but not right now. Later. She will pick you up.
Please, I just want to go home now.
You will be going home later. You will.
Why later? Why? What did I do to deserve this? What did I do, sir? Just please, sir. Why can't I go home now? Please, sir. Can I please? Please.
He just advised I had
I did
15
nothing
listening
against the law. I shouldn't be
her head
here.
against the window worsening 55.
You were not in handcuffs. You are now.
I am not.
You are now.
I did nothing.
Because you were hitting your head.
I did nothing against the law.
you're hitting my car. That is against the law.
But sir,
What if you break? Hey, wait. Listen.
Why I was in here.
What if you?
Why was I in here before?
Because you're being disrespectful.
But sir, I shouldn't be arrested for that.
Yes, you are. You are for possession of alcohol.
I didn't say fuck you or anything. I didn't say anything.
You don't have to say anything of that.
I just said, why are we being arrested? And you arrested me.
I didn't arrest anybody.
Okay, well this is.
I didn't arrest anyone.
Okay. What's
Right?
your name, sir?
They all went home.
What's your name?
It's gonna be on the report. Don't worry.
What's your name, sir?
It's gonna be in the report.
No, I know it is, but what's your name, sir?
I'm not gonna tell you my name.
What's your name?
You're gonna see it all over your report.
Okay, that's
It's gonna be
fine, we'll figure it
clear.
out.
She will actually.
I did nothing wrong, sir. I did nothing wrong.
So how come your other friends went home when you didn't?
Was I driving? No, I wasn't.
Okay.
You
Even the
didn't arrest me for having an attitude, but yet-
driver went home.
Yeah, but
She went home.
You arrested me for having an attitude.
Yes.
So
yes.
wait, I want to know because I've studied law before.
Okay.
So I want to know why you exactly arrested me, sir.
Minor in possession of alcoholic
Yeah, but
beverages.
yet
That's the
driver
charge.
was in minor possession.
That's the charger. That's the
That's
charge.
the charge, but yet I got arrested.
That's the charge.
Because of attitude.
That's the charge.
Okay then. Okay, thank you.
The charge is minor in possession of alcoholic
Thank you, sir.
beverages.
What's your name?
Avinia.
What's it?
Gustavo.
Gustavo what?
Yes, Gustavo.
Gustavo what?
Avinia.
Ramirez? What is it?
Right there. It's right there.
Gustavo what?
Look. Really, right there.
No, yeah, I know I'm being recorded.
It's right there.
I
Yeah.
know. I don't.
I raised my name.
I'm just
Gustavo
saying,
Avinia.
what's your full name,
That's my
sir?
name.